Okay, so we're looking at the spinal cord here. We have a spinal nerve. Right here is our dorsal ramus, and this is our ventral ramus. This is our dorsal root that leads into our dorsal root ganglion that leads into our dorsal root. And here is our ventral root. Right here, our ventral root actually is coming out of our anterior horn here. We have our lateral horn, and then we have our posterior horn. And going into the posterior horn is the dorsal root. Now, this is sensory going in, being processed, and then motor coming out. So dorsal root is sending sensory in through the posterior horn, and it's coming out of the anterior horn, out of the ventral root, into the body, sending out a signal, a motor signal. So, with that being said, in respective to the horns, we have our anterior horn, so this is our anterior white column. This is our lateral horn, so this is our lateral white column. This is our posterior column, or horn, so this is going to be our posterior column, white column. We have our dura mater, which is this outside covering right here. Right next to it is going to be the arachnoid matter. All of the space in between here is the subarachnoid space. And then all this stuff surrounding the white columns is the pia mater. We have our central canal, and then our gray commissure. The gray commissure is connecting the two horns. That's why they kind of look like butterflies. Then we have our anterior medium fissure, and then we have our posterior median sulcus. And that just about wraps up everything. Oh, I'm sorry. We have, right here we have the epidural fat, which is filling up the epidural space. And that's actually where women get an epidural shot in, which removes the pain but doesn't paralyze. So they're still able to contract and push without feeling like they're going to die. And that's pretty much it.
Yay!